Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Vantage M2 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the back button right here on the left side of the device. Once you open the menu, use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu. Scroll through the menu, select the settings icon, and once you select it, press the middle button to enter. Here, select the general settings and press the middle button. Then select pair and sync and press the middle button. And then scroll down, select paired devices and press the middle button. Right here you should see the name of the devices you're connected, or rather your watch is connected to. As you can see here we have our iPhone. And to remove the pairing, select the device you want to disconnect, press the middle button and then press it again to confirm. Once we remove the pairing from our watch, we can go to our iPhone, open the settings, find the Bluetooth option and tap on it. Here find the Polar Vantage M2 on the list of my devices, tap on the info icon next to it, tap on forget this device and tap on forget device to remove it. And at this point the devices are unpaired. And that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.